Good morning to everyone. Kai kum nazari ba apai gi Pong Rekan apai gi ESTCR Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee and other my colleagues press and media gi sinausi kai kum nazari ngasi Urkhul district headquarters da press me amga nazari basi deiba gi sarkar gi pakhaliba lambi thong sembagi Imphal Urkhul Jesami Road NS National Highway 202 masi sembaga mari lenana amasung National Highway Urkhul Toloi Tatu B stretch NS 102A 96 km si anisigi matangda ene wafum khara press media gi through the thamjani hairiba Imphal Urkhul Jesami Roads National Highway 202 si Manipur gi yamna maruoiba lambi amani masina Nagaland makoksung ta gidawni masi anauba National Highway se masi sabasi sahi taruk muki mamangdagi paikhalakwa hawguna hauji fawda development si dei leite marabasina masigi leiriba construction gi mawong se aduki matik yamna akoigi fair oidaba adagi transparent oidaba then accountability oidaba asuguma mayam si aikoina thengnarakpada chatpada thengnabada akoi phange masigi matangda Yagang Pokpitu Fins Corner masigi package masi package ani lairi base masiju thaba fazana paihatre is quite hopeless masigi construction paikhaliba Vara Infra Limited ESS masigi lairiba dagi subcontractor sisu masigi contractor sisu lowest tender rate thadharakanda tawsina masigi kaithoriba package masi government of Manipur da su yengjenre PWD department su yengjenre ministry NSIDCL da su masi fazana yengjenre adro masigi se matam changna paikhapada nadana lairiba paikaliba mong se yam transparent oidaba ama akoina thengnare hauji lairiba si DSQMS State Quality Monitoring System se masi masu pura totally fail state akoigi package kudimaki masigi office mo hangadabli engineering cell ama masigi DSQMS masigi monitoring akoigi office mo hangadab adusu package kudingi hangadab sisu hangre maramaduna contractor singche sigi Yagang Pokpitu Fins Corner sibakta subcontractor 50 subcontractors are there adu masi karigi 50 contractors the pithori no haibase it's a big question because the contractor is unable to perform the construction work haibne maramdi tender to matamda fazana akoigi construction companies du fazana aso construction company the people supidi aduga sumna degi ministry gi magi pocket gi puthokpa contractor khara tawkanda paisa se loot tore the agencies of the NSIDCL and the Ministry of masigi road construction sigi ministry authority na makoi frikau gi puthokpa contractor puthokanda tawbadagi hairi sigi tabu aduna almost all the funds looted by these sub-agents and agents of the NSIDCL, the Ministry of Road and Services, the authorities in the Paikali it is very much unsatisfactory. Masigi package anisida Paikali Hana Masigi Kanoda Sufange Google Earth Sigi mapping the Sufange. We can see it through Google Earth mapping. Then adagi masida piriba DPRC ki matungina construction se tawdre magi DPR new DPR sidai sida piri base masi akoi gi double lane si semapa matamda hanagi existing roads all existing roads nataw anova akoi gi alignment ama DPR sida piri base paikatre that Google earth mapping is with me. Adudai to the Laiba Posiga, Masi Karita of the Manadre. Existing all road to Paikata Bahibasi. Another alignment the Paikata Bahibasi, they are looting the fund. Subcontractors and the contractors are looting the public fund. Maramaduna Masigi Pose Puchashwe. Masina Marapurkanda. Construction की quality later, then supervision later, then no transparency and no accountability. Maramatuna masida sida riba construction materials like stones, sand, cement, low quality. See, masida tawre. Masigi maintain construction की materials quality maintain tawre. Aduna high riba package number 1 and 2. Yangan Popi to Finn's Corner. Masida faculty is quite desperate and hopeless. Urkul Ifal to Jesami Masida Achawa Urkul Gipadlasing the Pigatava Road Ki Kudong Java Masigi Lapi Kudong Java Fangadava to one remote villages of the Urkul district. Masida peak of connecting to the district headquarters, to the state capital, to the other states, these highways. Masigi mayam limna masi mangadore. Maramudu is very unfortunate that Masigi funds masi lak was a patana sina hudragadi the matung future fund amukla. It is a 1,000 crore project from Imphal to Jesami. Masina han sigi package ani yaga pupi to si Urkul sigi ama package NS sigi ama laire. Then package 3 ju masigi clear picture of the sanction amount music later. Then package 4 Urkul to Zoiter, that is about 16.37 crores. Masiju akoi music Thabak Vajana packet for Udri. Then again package number 5 switcher to Marem, way to Jesami. It is about the amount is 225.83 crores. And again from Marem to Jesami, it is about the section amount is about 221.22 crores. High Basisu Masigi Laiba Bhara Infra Limited, then SS Builders, then ISBS Construction Private Limited. Masigi SS Builders issue, Masisu Apoigi company is qualified with a company, Apoigi ministry, then NSIDCL pocket contractor. I do not have a packet for Popogi, see Tabaxi, here over packet for the yes, of course, ISBS Construction, Tabaki Karapazan Pakali, Magi, Ataiga, High Rogadi. Then SS Builders city hopeless way. I don't know Masiki Manipur lifeline. Not only the people of Urkul district, it is the lifeline of the people of interior Manipur. Masiki je packet president the packet construction je Masi Sisu Pura Akoi Asalaiti. Adna Masiki Padrasina Masiki pain the Bamayam Urkulgi Padrasina Fundore. Aikoi highways satpada leirabiba situation kaithuiba thousands crore project ase masi siga leirabiba adagi sarkar ki department sing sina ju yengchen bidraba state ki nasu yengchen bidraba NSIDCL na paikhatli haidana state ki PWD department na ju yengchen bidraba then NSIDCL ki authority na ju yengchen bidraba adagi ISQMS ki thabak su phajana paikhatraba paisa di tha khudingi paisa kathui package kaithui Madam the masi monitor town with the then at the field, at the ground, it is zero. मसीगी पैसा लूट चौरनबा this well organized looting the public fund maramadna ukul ki parja sing ngai ko thokte then manipur ki parja sing ngai che adro masi where is the government authority, where is the PWD authority of the state government, even if it fails to take up properly by the NSIDCL, why the state government PWD department is silent? Maramaduro masi state government ki double engine lengak se state government ju fail ore adagi ministry ki department ki agency me am ju fail ore adro masi ai ko yang nuaite masi ki accountability su laitraba adagi only paisa lutawno ro tawwa masi ki package se masi sahi yankhai sahi jamadi masi ki thousands crore se kai thokro making lambi je amu hana semok gi plan rekta ba ya then kanana mangi dudi ukul gi parjana mangi manipur gi parjana mangi adro masi athuba matam da sarkar ne yengsin view state government amalai NSIDCL la paikal laga su state government lai si kai dong lai gi ai base masi state government gi mathau ne ba masi state government gi subject ne ba ado masi kai tu tawdra di state government na go to hill adagi meeting with the people of the hills. It is nonsense. Aduna maram orkanda state government legislators adagi PWD governor president rules governors rules hai masi yengsin da bane adu yengsin dragati masi akoi masi sarkar amal lai hai bagi president rule government means directly controlled by the government of India. Masi na kari gi yengsin trino masi akoi no aite. We are not happy with this construction work, ongoing construction work of this Imphal to Jesami via Ukul. Loinara Anisuba Koshanda Ukul Toloi Tadu B stress, that is National Highway 102, 96 kilometers. Asiju is quite desperate, hopeless. Masigi video akoi thadok jarake akoi timama su yeng jarure. Then masigi paikhaliba NSIDCL ki masigi leiriba paikhaliba contractors hai masiju multi-crore contractors awarded to the various farms ni masigi farms se SSS builder, hopeless contractor, SS builder, Ganapati builders JV for package number 2 41.4 kilometers sina SSS builder Ganapati na. Then Anisuba package number 3 MS Satish Agrawal and Co for package number 3 31 kilometers. Then Ahum Suba contractor MS AK Sivare Infra Limited, that is package number 4 23.9 kilometers. Hairiba Urkul Toloi Masigi Tadu B stretch Masiju Sidi unlimited ne Masigi Magi duration Magi Sigi Kenosi longevity Masidi Queen as a national highway standard like Delhi to Agra, Delhi to Mumbai, the same even national highway standard never then Manipur the Paikali city. Akoi kari no akoi Manipur ki parja su mi wina utrabra ministry government of India na then state government ki president government na then BJP government na akoi mi sing sibu tumit kang wina utrabra akoi kari khangda ba mi da utrabra hairiba urkul toloi tadu bi state sisu masisu pura akoi ki lairiba masigi fair construction laitre adagi then transparency laitre then accountability sisu laitre then masidesida ISQMC ju phajana ta hokta badagi masigi state quality monitoring system sisu ai koi phajana ta hokta badagi hairi basi phanjing ju loina luto aduga hausi lambi sidi sahi ama ani bharat pakistan horrible lambi sidi pura loire pa shape koila black topping he tor poga kai de aduna maram orkanda masigi सिजु लेरिबा होजिकी एक्शन मसी इंक्वायरी तौगदबनी अदुगा नौना अमुक थागदबनी मसीदी पुरा सी होपलेस ओइ लंबिसी अदुना अखोना द पीपल ऑफ उखुल एंड द मणिपुर मसीना आशा तौजरम थबकतुदी अखोय करिंता होजि मसीगी एक्सपेक्टेशन में आमदुदी अखोय लेइत्रे अदुना मसीगी मसीजु लेरिबा लंबिसी हाइरिबा डीपीआर दुगी मतुंगिना सेमीबा मागी ओरिजिनल डीपीआर दुगी मतुंगिना तौदबदेगी हाइरिबा लंबिसीसु नोंग चुरकपा मतमदा लोइना लैंडस्लाइड थोकपा अदगी अदुगुम मयामदुना लंबिसीजे नोंग अमतंग चुरकपा मतमदा चटपा यादे then what is the use of this construction on the basis of the national highway ne haro nong chur chatpa yadagadi kai kana duri ge adro masi gi original DPR du tawdramni na pocket tagi BJP gi pocket tagi puthokpa contractor and subcontractors na tawrabani na magi DPR da yauriba po cutting to tawde haibidi existing all road stress to the sakre मधुगी हाना लेने बुद्ध अरे खर का कोई याव सिंह दूसरा फसना properly कोई क्वालिटी मेंटेन तो उतरबिना लैंडस्लाइड तो हुआ then erosion थोपा नोंग चुबा weather I mean rainy season दा असी थो एव अन्ना पो cutting चीजु तो उतरबिना मागी alignment चीजु चुमना लेते then it's very unfortunate कोई सुगुम्बा national highway में construction थोपा मतम दा सुमाइना हेक्टा कोई लमसम दा अदेगी then quality maintain तो उतरबिना तो उसे Masi state government is laitre. State government is not doing for the people of Urkhul and the people of Manipur. Aduna masi we are not happy with this also. Masi ki haiba the Urkhul to then Senapati then Imphal to Jesami. Masi ki lambi si de huji akoi Jesami chatui after this press conference. Masi de sida akoi chaturi bisi adiki mati लेकिन लंबी से पाव ताबदा लोरे मसी पूरा अखोई वार जोन चटपा फुल वाइट मरक से पडास अखोई यामना नुवाइते मसीगी फुलगी रिमोट एरिया दा कनेक्टिंग विलेज मयाम अमा मसदगी हाईवे से लाकदोबा मयाम दिना लंबी चटपागी अवाबा लेबा देन ट्रीटमेंट की अवाबा लेबा अदगी डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर दा लाकदबगी विलेज मयाम पेरिफेरी एरिया विलेज मयाम सिंदगी लाकदबगी अवाबा इनकन्वीनियंस मयाम अदगी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की थबकता अदगी बिजनेस सेक्टर दा एवरीथिंग हाउसिंग ले सिटी कोलैप्स नि सरकार ने जिंगसिन बिदि हाइबसिटी इज ए वेरी क्लियर
मणिपुर के अहम न्यूरो पेशेंट्स के स्पेशलाइज्ड हॉस्पिटल न्यूरो इमरजेंसी ट्रॉमा नेट मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल सिंगजमाई मथक टोंगथाम लेकाइदा हांदोकचरे हॉस्पिटल असना मरुइना बीपी स्ट्रोक ब्रेन ट्यूमर लंबी की खुदोंथिबा स्पाइनल डिस्क प्रोलैप्स स्पाइनल ट्यूमर अमदी माइग्रेन चिंगबा लायंगली हॉस्पिटल असदा न्यूरो की लायंगबद चंगबा अफबा मखल की खुसु खुलाई अमदी मशीन मरांग काइद लई मसिना कोक मरी लेनबा तोंगान तोंबा मखल की अनाबा सिंग निंगथिना लायंगली लमदम मसिदा न्यूरो सर्जन यामना तांगरिबा मरमना चिंगमदी अरापा मफमदगी लाकपा अनाबसी न्यूरो सर्जन उननबा होनबदा अवाबा कया मायोंगदरी मसिदा सुनतना मतम थिंथना अनाबा लायंगना मरम ओरगा खुदोंथिबा कया सुमायोंगदरी मसी पुनमक्तगी खरदो ओरबसु कन्ननबा डॉक्टर पार्किंसन सिंह MCS न्यूरो सर्जरी एम्स न्यू दिल्लीना मसामकी हॉस्पिटल असिदा पुंग कुनमरी लेदुना अनाबा सिंह लायंगली हॉस्पिटल असिदा अताब ममलदा लायंग मतनतना OPD जनरल अमदी ICU बेड्स ऑपरेशन मेडिसिन एक्सरे अमदी लैब कमैली नबसनसु अताब ममलदा फंगल्ली ngasi maglensin biro amadi kudong saba singa silobiyo hena kuba mrol gidamag hospital asigi telephone number 7005534166 natraga 8974572154 da pau phabirak yagani
Congress party started this checking and at the different packages. In 2022 we started this cross checking of the ongoing construction. And in that year, that is 2022, we have started cross-checking and all in respect like this quality and the construction the works, no. And but that we started the inspection in 2022 on the PMGSY project. But after this 2023, 3rd of May, due to the violence, this maintain, we could not reach out the different places in Ukul and other area. So it was very unfortunate, and then we started after this improving the law and order, and we could come here to Ukul and Jasamis, then Jingai, in different places of the Ukul district. We will keep on continue the inspection work of the ongoing construction of the different schemes, under maybe that central works or state government works. So regarding this matter, we will this apprise after knowing all these details. We will started thinking to apprise all this to the concerned ministry and even the Prime Ministers of India, because such type of the construction work, which is very low standards quality, and the other different the failures to maintain the SQMS and the as per the this original DPRs. The construction work is not maintaining as per the original DPR. That's why we are going to raise these issues to the national level, and even if required, then we will give the this memorandum to the Honorable Governor of Manipur, and also the Prime Minister, Home Minister, and the Ministry of Roads and all. And it is we will not criticize the. It is not the ideas of criticizing the government, BJP, but the way they are mishandling the construction work. It is under this BJP government. It is under the President rule government. It is the Prime Minister's led BJP government. That's why we need to say something against them, because they are failed to this construction properly. This is their agency. It is not the political drama. In fact, it is the reality that the people of Ukul and the people of Manipur wants to do. And that's why we are concerning about this matter. We are concerning the people of Ukul. The Congress Party always stands for the justice, and our party stands for the people of the Ukul and the entire people of Manipur. We stand for secular. We stand for this unity of the Manipur, and that is why we started this inspection to the different packages, and like this from Imphal to Jasami, and then from Ukul to Loi, that will be stretches. That is why we are starting exposing these unfair practices of the agencies and the LSIDCF. It is for the something about this. It's a huge scheme. So we come to know when we come down to Ukul, and on this road we are coming from Imphal to Ukul, and then we are going to Jasami for a program. So on the way we started inspection too, and we started to know about this the details of the construction of this road work, and many of these Ukul leaders, the social workers, and our the Singhai leaders, Sri Okum Rekan, and other this Bloc Congress President Mr. Changam, they all the leaders of these Singhai leaders and the Ukul leaders have informed me about these failures of the construction of the road. Definitely, we will do some action. We will fight for justice for the people of Ukul and the entire people of Manipur. We will start attacking on this matter to get justice for the people. And of course, as you asked, about agitations like kind of actions and all. This we will do that. We will raise this issue to the concerned authority, and everywhere we will fight to the court too. And again, we will do some type of protest because it is disturbing the mind of the people of Urkul, and it is a big scam that the NSIDCL is taking up these programs. No, in fact, some of the organized team looting the public fund of the Urkul people, and that's why definitely we will do some action. We will discuss among our leaders of the Congress party, and accordingly we will do some action plan. So don't worry for that. We are here, and this, in fact, the entire people, some these except some section, some leaders or some leaders of the these Tangkul communities, the entire people will not know about these technical issues and about the sanctioned amount and the ideas of the construction. So so after knowing these all details, now we will do something for the people of Urkul. Don't worry, we will do something.